Hello everyone, my name is dietitian Purnima Srivastav and today we discuss dietary management for diabetes. So let's our video. Diabetes is a chronic metabolic disorder that prevents the body to utilize glucose completely or partially. It is characteristic by rise glucose concentration in the blood and alteration in carbohydrate, fat, protein metabolism. And its reasons are genetic factor, obesity, dietary restrictions, sugar intake, dietary fiber, infection and acute stress. Diabetes are many types of like diabetic 1, diabetic 2, gestational diabetes, and symptoms are increased thirst, it means polydipsia, increased urination, polyuria, increased hunger, polyphagia, etc. Weight loss, diabetes type 1, and obesity in diabetic 2. Burn, vision, skin infection, skin irritation, and decreased healing capacity and weakness or loss of strength. Continued symptoms occur as the uncontrolled condition become more serious, like fluid and electrolyte imbalance, coma, and acidosis. Dietary management for diabetes. These appears to be a common myth in the Indian population regarding the appropriate diet in managing diabetes. When choosing your food, all you need to do ensure that you are making a right choice. Hopefully this video will be help you when you come to choosing your right food. First is glycemic index. This is the measure of how much sugar is released into the bloodstream when the food undergoes digestion. Food that have a low glycemic index are considered healthier for individuals who suffer from diabetic 2 patients. Second is the switch from white rice to brown rice. Brown rice possesses a lower glycemic index and is the more nutritive compared to the white rice. Brown rice is also rich in fiber and manganese, which is essential. Second is whole grains. Whole grains, bread, oats, wheats, oats, an excellent choice for diabetes. Quinoa is the good choice of the part of the diabetic diet. It is the high protein and fiber, low in simple sugar, making it an ideal choice for food. Next point is high fiber vegetables. Fibers is extremely important in our diet. This is because it not only help the maintaining the excellent bowel health, but also has the property of keeping the stomach fuller for longer and preventing blood sugar and cholesterol spike. High fiber vegetables are spinach, green leafy vegetables, beans, and peas. Next point is pulses and legumes. They have a good source of protein and fiber and they have a low glycemic index. Next point is nuts. Almonds, walnut, peanut, pista, and etc. nuts are rich in protein and essential fatty acids such as the omega-3 and can be helpful in prevent heart disease in those who have diabetes. Next point is fruits. The remaining a common myth that fruits are high in sugar and must be avoided if you have diabetes. Fortunately, this is far from the truth. Fruits such as mango, jackfruit, and grape tend to contain a lot more sugar and are ideally avoided. But apple, papaya, pea, orange, and grapefruit are similar food are all rich in fiber and keep the blood sugar level under control. Next point is our milk. Milk is naturally sweet and many are worried that it would increase their blood sugar level. The good news is that it does not. You can have 1 or 2 small glasses of milk a day. Ideally, consume boiled pasteurized milk from which the fat has been removed. It is rich in calcium and protein. Next point is lean meat. If you are a non-vegetarian, you choose lean meat such as oil, fish, and chicken. Try it and avoid red meat. When cooking the meat, avoid deep frying the food. Instead, just grill it or bake it for the healthier way to enjoy it. Next point is egg. This is the good source of the high protein and good fat. You are allowed to have 3 or 4 egg yolk a week without it rising your cholesterol level. Next point is cinnamon. It is a commonly used spice in Indian cooking. It helps control the blood sugar level. But excessive use of cinnamon is harmful for liver. Point is bitter gourd, Karela. It contains 3 active compounds called carotene, vaccine, and polypeptide, and many antioxidants. One study looking at regular consumption of Karela seeds also found that it reduced blood sugar spike after a meal. Next point is fenugreek. Fenugreek seeds can lower blood sugar level and improve diabetic control. It is good for diabetic patients. Making the right choice and combine the above food that I have mentioned in any way you like, you can still have a nourishing meal that give you all the vital nutrients you need. So I hope you all improve your diet and do regular exercise, yoga, and routine manage. That is for your good health and improve your diabetic situations. Thank you.